Well, you take the high road and I'll take the low. And I'll be in Scotland afar ye. For me and my true love shall never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Hey team, today we're going to look at webcams. We've got 3 of them. We have the Stream webcam, which, funny enough, one of the features it boasts about on its packaging is that it costs less. Indeed, but is it worth the quality? Next, we have the Kiyo Razer. Lastly, we're going to check out the Logitech Brio. That's what's coming up today. Okay, hey, what's going on, team? So as you can see, I got some webcams going, and real quick, this is the one right here is the Brio, and this one over here, the is the Unzano, the Stream Cam. But you know what, guys? Seriously, if we can just take a look at this real quick and just discard one. This is the Unzano. Now, granted, I'm using it through the web service mini cam. Well, it's not a web service. I'm using the software mini cam, and it's the free version. Hence this little display down here. But what's cool about it is it allows me to toggle between that and the Brio. Now, this is the Logitech Brio over here with the mini cam side. But even it, compared to the Kiyo Razer, which is over here, I mean, it's just, there's not much comparison. But there is a comparison to be made. Okay, before we go any further, let's just go ahead and take a look at the single application of this. This is the Kiyo Razer, and it is the only application running right now. The other one was kind of jittery because it had, it had 3 webcams being processed through 2 different open applications, both recording and with GarageBand for audio. So it was maybe taxing the system a bit more. So let's be fair and go ahead and add my hat. There we go. And check out the rest of these guys. Okay, so this is, as I said, this is the Kiyo Razer. Let's go ahead and switch it to the Logitech Brio. Hello, this is the Logitech Brio. Big notice here is that the light from the Kiyo Razer, which is kind of handy, although it's not really needed here. Look at all the background. It's pretty washed out. The color gradient, and look, it's really grainy, possibly from the lack of light. Let's try something else. But it's lit here. That's why God invented other lights. So there's that. I got even more lights. Okay, now it's weird. Okay, but the colors still aren't all that great. Anyway, and of course, let's go to the cheap one. Ooh, okay, look at that. It's not good at all, is it? No, it's not. Yeah, it's green. My. And it's much closer. Look at the difference here. It's definitely takes away a lot of the space in between the camera and myself, so that's kind of weak. It's not very good for a webcam. You guys, like I said, I think we should just skip. But just to be fair, let's go ahead and give it maximum quality. Maybe it's just because it's low quality right now. Oh, look, I'm full screen now. Aren't I handsome? Let's go ahead and resize it. There we go. So, I mean, that's the cheap one. Let's try the others. This is the Razer. I mean, what do you guys think? Let's put a little extra light on. I mean, that's pretty good. It's not grainy. It's pretty sharp. It does like to go back and forth. It is a little pixelated around the brim, but the colors are vivid and they're correct. Let's go to the Brio. Hello. All right, so it picks up a little bit more. It's got a bit more of a wide angle, but it's got more distortion too. You can see over here, look how this isn't straight. This is sort of bows. That's weird. This is the maximum quality too. Let's go back to the Kiyo. Yeah, so it doesn't get as much, but there's still Much better than the USB Live. Or is it about the same? Okay, so they cover about the same distance. So the winner here is Logitech. Although you do pay the price. The colors are similar to the... Yeah, I think, guys, my vote's got to be for the Brio. Sorry, not for the Brio, for the Kiyo Razer again. Let's move on to the next test. Alright, guys, can we just agree that this isn't the best of quality? And if this is what you're looking for, just your face up there real quick, and you're not trying to make a high quality production with video being an important part. I mean, I am an artist. I got visuals are kind of important, so good video is kind of important. Not quite as important as good audio. That's why we're not even gonna take a look at the microphones on through webcams, is because honestly, if you have to skimp somewhere, don't skimp on audio. That's like the worst. As long as they can hear, then we can forgive a lot for video. But if video's jacked and so is your audio, nobody wants. You can have perfect video, perfect beautiful video, and if you have messed up audio, no one wants to watch. You gotta have both of them. But this one, guys, I just don't think it's any good. I mean, can we just agree to move on and only test the Kiyo and the Brio from now on? Cool. Thanks, guys. But let's be honest, most of you are probably going to use it for single use, not have multiple webcams going at multiple times, so you really don't need a whole lot of software. QuickTime does a great job. That's what we're using right now, and this is for the Logitech Brio. And so a lot of you are probably just going to need one webcam and a solid piece of software. Again, that's why I'm using QuickTime now, to show you what the differences can be. And I think you can see that they're quite startling, actually. This is just on high quality. And here we go. And this is at maximum quality. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bloviate here for a little bit until 20 seconds rolls by, so that we can then check to see how much space on your hard drive this bad boy takes for 20 seconds of footage. Mind you, it's using about 100% of the CPU right now. So 20 seconds, here we... Okay, so now we're going to do the exact same thing with the Logitech Brio. This is in maximum quality, which means it's going to take up an S-ton of space to save it. We're going to go 20 seconds, just like with the Kiyo, and we're going to compare and see which one takes up less space. 20 seconds right now. Well, I think I'm going to stay with the Kiyo Razer, or is it the Razer Kiyo? Either way, the one I'm using right now. It's got the light, which I dig, and when it's on high quality, this is what you get. Way too much disk space for the maximum quality. And besides, this is fine. I don't use it normally like this. I use it for commentary on for news and for art news and commentary on political events happening in the art world. But I squeeze the box down really small. Yeah. Like this. It's a little bit claustrophobic, but it's fun. It's fine. I'll get over it. Anyway, the deal is, it doesn't take up that much space, and I like the quality better, and I think it's just a better camera. So, I'm going to stick with this. But what do you all think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. For me and my true love shall never meet again. On the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond.